Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Wyoming. Now, if you head over to the Wyoming state website, this is what it's going to look like. Now, one of the things I love about the state of Wyoming is the fact that there's a lot of information that's available, and the way that it's structured is quite good. And that is one of the cornerstones of understanding the different dynamics. Now, if you are developing limited liability companies in multiple states, there are different legal ramifications for each of those states which you need to do and understand. Living in Wyoming has its benefits and its drawbacks as well. So obviously they have a full breakdown of exactly from the business councils to the jobs in Wyoming to the state jobs that are available, volunteering that's available, starting a business in Wyoming and doing business in Wyoming. So we're going to click on start a business in Wyoming, and once we do that, we're going to be redirected to the next page. Obviously, doing business in the state of Wyoming is very interesting because there's a lot of options that are available, and the nation's most business-friendly tax climate is available in Wyoming. Plus, an outstanding transportation options, top the rank brand board, top of the ranked broadband connectivity, a well-funded public education, safe neighborhood, abundant outdoor space, and a recreation opportunities. And that is one of the reasons why Wyoming is one of the most sought out states to do business in, because it has the most business-friendly tax climate that's available. And you can easily start your limited liability company. You can get a state note and investment approvals quite easily by the Wyoming Business Council. And obviously it has grants and loan requests to the state loan investment board as well. And obviously it has the land's largest vertical farming research facility. And when you combine all those elements together, from the starting, from the growing, from the financing, from the community, you can clearly see the amount of actual availability and friendliness is available in the state of Wyoming when you want to do business. And that is the reason I always mention to everyone to start your business in the state of Wyoming, because the Business Council offers programs and resources that are aimed at building Wyoming's entrepreneurial ecosystem and fostering connectivity. The programs are an outcome of the economic diversification legislation that was passed in 2018. There are startup resources, there are startup finances that are available. And if you want to check out the different resources that you can actually get in the state of Wyoming, you'll be able to see the entrepreneurial assistance and support that you're going to get. And with the Business Resource Network, it was a collection of organizations funded and supported by the Wyoming Business Council and the University of Wyoming. You can easily contact the regional directors and get exactly what you want to do and how you want to go about doing it, from manufacturing to workforce services to PTAC. Anything that you need is going to be made available. Now, obviously, one of the major things which a lot of people tend to find difficult is the legal ramifications when it comes to setting up a limited liability company. This can be very tedious task, and it's for that reason we have included this website in our video today, the inkfile.com. You can get and use the fast, free, award-winning company formation and join our 1 million business owners that are used Inkfile, because starting a new business can be very stressful and expensive, guys. There's a lot to do to file a limited liability company, varying from state requirements, numerous steps, and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error and mistakes that can be very costly. And that is where Inkfile comes in. Now, I personally believe that Inkfile does an absolutely brilliant job because there's no hidden costs or subscriptions. It is 100% free formation. It has the fastest filing speed with a free registered agent that's available and free compliance reminder as well. And obviously, beyond the limited liability company, all the tools to grow and manage your business are available. So Inkfile's comprehensive set of services have you covered from getting your EIN number, from business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service that suits your situation as and when you need them. And when you combine the annual reports and the virtual addresses, the EIN number, you can clearly see that you're going to be in safe hands. And all you need to do is click on the incorporate now, which will take you to the next step. Now, in this step, there's the first thing that you need to do is select the entity type. Now, there's different entities that are available. You can form an LLC, you can form an S corporation, a C corporation, corporation or a nonprofit, but obviously for this video, we're going to go with a limited liability company. So once we select that, we'll select the state of formation that we want. So as you can see, there's all these states that are available in the United States. We're going to select Wyoming. And once we do that, we'll be able to see that we have three packages that are available: the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now the silver one is $102, and this is a state fee, guys. And this is what I want to highlight over here, which is very crucial for you to understand, that there's no package fee that's available, just the state fee, which is $102. You can easily prepare and file the article of organization, which is completely free from inkfile.com. You get unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, and unlimited phone and email support. If you want to go for the actual gold one, which is a comprehensive features to get your business started, this is for $301. The package fee is $199. The state fee is $102, which is constant across all the three packages. You get everything included in the silver, plus you get your EIN business tax number, your IRS form 2553, which is very important and crucial for you to get a operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, and unlimited phone and email support, as well as business banking account and business tax consultation. Now obviously, if you want to go one step ahead, you could always go for the platinum one, which is a $401. The package fee is $299, and the state fee is $102. You get a business contract template, a domain name, and a business email, and a free next day filing. Now guys, this is something I want to highlight over here, because I personally feel that one of the most crucial things that you can do initially as you start your journey on becoming a limited liability company is to do things the right way. And obviously for that, you need to make sure that you have the right support, the right assistance, and the right guidance. And obviously, if you want to make sure that you cover all the bases and there's no loopholes that are left, I would highly suggest to you to go for the platinum, because it covers everything that you need. And obviously, as an individual that has not formed a limited liability company before, there is a very tedious task. There's a lot of legal ramifications that are available, which can cause a lot of issues down the line. So make sure that you have every single base covered. Now, people tend to ask me that this is all based online. There's not a lot of human interaction available. How can we actually get human interaction? And it's for that reason I've included LegalZoom.com. Now, LegalZoom.com is a website which has a lot of business attorneys that are available that can help you with your business formation. If you have wills or trusts or intellectual properties, you can also do that. All you need to do is click on business formation. As you click on business formation, you can kickstart your business in minutes. Either you're doing an LLC, a corporation, nonprofit, or doing business as. You can easily click on Start My LLC, which will take you to the next page. Now, I love the fact that the way they've actually structured all these elements is absolutely brilliant, because the support, the assistance, and the guidance that you get with LegalZoom is absolutely brilliant. Because if you want to protect yourself, make things easy for you, and save on taxes, you can easily do that. All you need to do is tell them what your business name, if you've picked it, answer a few questions, and they'll complete and file the paperwork for you. They have more than 3.5 million businesses that have used them, with more than 1 million subscriptions and 650,000 consultation. You can have an attorney speak to you directly, and all you need to do is give them a call on this number on Mondays to Fridays or weekends, and there's going to be an attorney that's going to be ready to answer any questions that you might have. And that is one of the things I absolutely love about LegalZoom, because there's no waiting lines, there's no list that you have to go on to. You can select the attorney that you want to speak to, someone that you feel comfortable with. And if you don't feel comfortable with them, you can always change to another attorney, because they're all available on LegalZoom.com. So there's three methodologies of forming a limited liability company. One is doing it yourself through the state of Wyoming itself, or you can use inkfile.com, or you can use LegalZoom.com. Do let me know in the comment section below which one you're planning to use, and if you need any support, any assistance, any guidance, or clarifications, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to form a limited liability company in the state of Wyoming. Until our next video, take care.